What is the area of a circle? A circle is not a square, but a circle's area, the amount of interior space enclosed by the circle, is measured in square units. Finding the area of a square is easy, length times width. A circle, though, has only a diameter, or distance across. It has no clearly visible length and width, since a circle, by definition, is the set of all points equidistant from a given point at the center. Yet with just the diameter, or the radius, or even the circumference, you can calculate the area of any circle. Recall that the relationship between the circumference of a circle and its diameter is always the same ratio, 3.141592653, or pi. That number, pi, times the square of the circle's radius gives you the area of the inside of the circle in square units. If you know the radius in whatever measurement units, use the formula pi times r squared to find the area A. The answer will be square units of the linear units, such as millimeter squared, centimeter squared, square feet, and so on. Let's give it a try. Here is a circle with a radius of 7 meters. What is its area? We'll start by plugging in the 7 into our formula A equals pi times r squared. Now simplify. You should get A equals 153.9380 meters squared. If you know the diameter in whatever measurement units, take half the diameter to get the radius in the same units. Here is a circle with a diameter of 1.07 kilometers. What is the area of this circle? First, find half the given diameter to get the radius. 1.07 divided by 2 equals 0.535 kilometers, or 535 meters. Now, plug the radius into our formula A equals pi times r squared. Simplify, and you get A equals 899,202.3572 meters squared. To convert square meters to square kilometers, divide by 1 million. That gives you A equals 0.8992 kilometers squared. Feel free to test your knowledge with the 4 sample problems in the article below. Be careful, some give the radius and some give the diameter. Remember, take half the diameter to find the radius before squaring the radius and multiplying by pi. If you have no idea what the radius or diameter is, but you know the circumference of the circle, you can still find the area. Circumference is the distance around the circle, and can be found with the formula c equals 2 pi times r. That means to find the radius, we can take the circumference formula and solve for r, which gives us r equals c divided by 2 pi. We can replace r in our original formula with that new expression, which looks like this. This expression simplifies to A equals c squared divided by 4 pi. This formula works every time. Let's try it. Here is a beautiful, reasonable-sized pizza you and 3 friends can share. You happen to know the circumference of your pizza is 50.2655 inches, but you do not know its total area. You want to know how many square inches of pizza you will each enjoy. Substitute 50.2655 inches for c in the formula. So you have A equals 50.2655 squared divided by 4 pi. Now simplify and you get A equals 201.0620 square inches. Equally divide that total area of your pizza among 4 friends, and you each get 50.2655 square inches of pizza.